Okay, so this is the TPC file. Click open. Done. Okay, so this is the TPC, system pressure, manifold pressure, gas rate, and flowing bottom hole pressure. So if you plot, you will get like this. Okay, so this will be applicable for our gas injector performance. All right, we can finish. Done. Extrapolate TPC. Okay, so it will be extrapolated. Click done. Okay, so now I have my gas injector. So far, so good. So if we check the constraints, we actually need to have injection setting here. So let me check. Can we set? Okay, I think input, history matching, production prediction. Okay, let's just continue. And then I will create two producers. I will call it prod1. It is dry gas producer. Okay. And then the inflow, the IPR, I will use for Keimer method. Fractional flow, use tank. Darcy factor 490. Make sure this is the unit, PSI square per MSCF per day. And for non-Darcy, like this. With this unit, no PI correction for mobility, and the rest, I follow the default. You can plot like this, the IPR. So the absolute open flow is 61.3 MMSCF per day, and the reservoir pressure is 5,500. Okay, more inflow. We can leave it as it is. And outflow performance, I will also get my TPC data, TPC result from Prosper. So I will import. Okay, so this is the TPC file for producer 1. Click open. Reading, 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 finished. Done. Plot. Okay, so this is our nodal analysis, the IPR versus, or the IPR plus VLP, or IPR plus TPC, tubing performance curve. You can maximize, or sorry, replot, maximize like this. Okay, finish, done, extrapolate TPCs. Okay, so far so good. Now, yeah, this is prod 1. I will move it there. I will add one more well. Well type definition. It is also dry gas producer. Okay. And then inflow performance, it is 560, 0.0005. Everything per default. Plot. Now the absolute open flow is 51.9 million standard cubic feet per day at reservoir pressure of 5,500. More inflow, outflow performance, edit. I will import. This is the TPC file for well 2, producer 2. Click open, finish, done, plot. Okay, so this is the nodal analysis for second producer. Okay, finish, done. Let's say I want to put constraint for my second producer. So the breakthrough constraint, breakthrough will happen at water saturation, for example, the fraction 0.98. Okay, something like this in fraction, right? Okay, so far so good. Click done. I want to move my producer 2 there, prod 1, prod 2, and injector maybe there. Yeah, okay. And then, yeah, I want to check again. If you want, allow recovery after well abandonment. It's okay. And it's also allow recovery for well abandonment. After abandonment, click done. Okay, so far so good. Now we need to set the well schedule.